Okay, this one says graph this guy using just intercepts. Now, if you remember, intercepts are pretty much where it hits the axis. So in order to get my y-intercept, you have to realize my x is at 0. So every point on this line, so that is the point 0, 2. This is the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 6. And so on. So this is the point 0, negative 2. The thing you see on all these guys is that x equals 0. So in order to find my y-intercept, I want to set x equal to 0. So if I set this guy equal to 0, we'll find my other intercept. So if I set this guy equal to 0, so in other words, 1/4 times 0 plus 1/5 y equals 2. Well, 1/4 times 0 is just 0. So I can just get rid of that guy, and you get 1/5 x, 1/5 y equals 2. Now, in order to get rid of this guy, we just multiply by the reciprocal. So we get y equals 10. Now, remember, y equals 10 is a line, but we plugged in 0, so this point is going to be 0, 10. So that point is going to be right there. So there's my one intercept. Now I have to find my other intercept. My other intercept is going to be my x-intercept. And on all these points, so that point is going to be 2, 0. This point is going to be 3, 0. This point is going to be 1, 0. And if you notice, all my y's are now 0. So if I take y and I plug 0 in for y, you end up getting 1/4 x plus 1/5 y, which ends up being 0, so I can just get rid of that guy, equals 2. Now I multiply both sides by 4, so you end up getting x equals 8. So we also know that that is a line, but I remembered that I put a 0 in for y, so this point is 8, 0. So there's my other intercept. So 8, 0 is going to be right here. So if you take those two things and you put them together, you end up getting this line right here.